Hello and welcome to BQ Prime. A very good afternoon to all the viewers. I'm Hiral Dadia. Clearly, if you go to see in terms of markets, they have been under check and the banks have taken Bank Nifty lower as well post the RBI policy. Not all traders are seeing a big negative. There is a knee-jerk reaction that's coming in as well. But it seems that the bulls have their hopes absolutely up and about. Joining us on the show to discuss more is Vaishali Parekh, to understand, what's in store from here on. Vaishali, good afternoon and welcome to the show. Firstly, weekly expiry in focus. Bank Nifty was in the limelight on the back of the RBI policy, and you're seeing the pressure that's building in. What are the key levels you're watching out for in terms of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty?
Very good afternoon and thanks for having me on the show. So yes, market has been a bit too volatile since a couple of sessions. And today, post the RBI, we saw some exhaustion setting in the Bank Nifty counter. So currently, we are at a juncture whereby it's a make or break. So 44,500 on spot basis holds as a crucial support. So time and again, we are witnessing that Bank Nifty is attempting to hold on to these levels, but a decisive break below 44,500, or let's say, let's have a buffer of 200 more points. So 44,300 would set in further weakness, and we would see some selling pressure coming in all the banking stocks. So that would be my view for Bank Nifty.
Right. One stock that I want to discuss with you is Z Entertainment. A spectacular move, and as we know, it's on the NCLT approval for the Z Sony merger. But how has the open interest built up, piled up so far? Because we are seeing a 7 to 8% increase in today's session. But what's the trend indicating from here on?
So, well, it was very well expected, and all are very happy because after a very long time, we've seen this run up. So, technically, 280, 290, it looks as a strong resistance. So, once we see a follow up, because of course, today, on the basis of this news, everyone was laying their bet on this. So, if we sustain about 290 levels, we would be looking at 320 and so on. So, I would say that would be the view for Z. But of course, the sentiments have really improved, and let's wait and watch from here on because today is one of the days. And now let's see the follow up buying. If it happens tomorrow, then the sentiment really changes for the stock.
Right. So, Vaishali, what will be a good level to enter a Z Entertainment? What are charts indicating according to you?
So, well, 245 would be an ideal level. That's where today the rally began from. So, that would be a good appropriate level. But, well, I would say accumulate from 255 to 240.
Right. Moving on, another stock that saw some good moves is the Manappuram Finance, where you're seeing fresh long positions that have been built in today's session. What's your view?
So Manappuram did give a breakout a couple of days back above 140 levels, and it's holding on very well. The indicators are also still showing an upward scope. So I would say that now we would have a support of say around 137, 138, and gradually the stock should progress towards 150, 160 in times to come.
Right. How are you looking at a Berger Paints in trade? Some fresh shorts that are being built. Short covering is what we're seeing, in fact, in today's session on the Berger Paints. What should the strategy be?
Well, there is no clear direction for now. So it would be a sell because we have started seeing a selling pressure coming in Asian Paints. And now with crude rising, let's see how this stock has to do. It would be a sell below 690. And if it moves past above 720, then I would say that it's ready for a further takeoff. So right now, there is no view as such. It is just consolidating. Let's wait and watch.
Right. How about a Max Financial as well as a Trent? Because longs are being built on both these names as well in today's session.
So Max Financial, yes, we still see a lot of upside. The stock has just got into new round of momentum. Currently, today we saw it making a high towards 875. That was the resistance. So now let's wait and watch. Once it moves past 875, it would be ready for a target of 900 to 920 levels. Whereas talking about trend, it is no doubt positive. From yesterday, we saw that it was showing a robust up move. So those who have taken at lower levels should continue holding for a target of 1950.
Right. Moving on, how are you looking at Mahanagar Gas as well as a Gujarat Gas? Both these stocks have seen selling pressure in today's session.
Yes, it's a stock that I'm covering, and I think it is good for technical, positional up move. So accumulate from these levels.
Study a little bit more. So I think we can take a call on that.
Right. So accumulate in terms of these two names. Moving on, Granules India is also seeing selling pressure. How would you look at it?
So overall, if we see pharma sector is showing some signs of profit booking, so the trend is not damaged. Granules have given a good run up, and right now it is at crucial support. We would say that the stock is going to weaken only if we see a close below 300, and that would trigger further selling coming towards 280 levels. So for now, it is at a support level, but let's see now how it goes from here on.
Right. Talking about few of the large cap names, Adani Enterprises as well as Adani Ports. Both of these counters have started to see some strong moves over the last couple of trading sessions. Are you seeing strength? And if yes, good levels to accumulate?
So I would say yes, it's high time because more than Adani Enterprise, there is a conviction buy in Adani Port because we've seen a breakout coming at about 770, 780 levels, and it's currently at around 800. So I think gradually start accumulating this stock because it is a volatile and a choppy move that we witness in Adani Port and Adani Enterprise. So Adani Port, I would say 745, 750 should be now acting as a good support level, and we would be looking forward to a target of around 900 and so on. And as far as Adani Enterprise, still into consolidation, I would say 2450 is a crucial support, and a trading strategy can be made accordingly for a target of 2750.
Right. Dixon Technologies is seeing some longs which are being unwound in trade. What should the strategy be according to you?
So Dixon, we have seen a good run up coming in, and I would say, well, it's a strong upward trend, but not a good buying zone right now. Wait for it to show some profit booking. Ideal level would be at around 4400 and so on.
How about the Birla Soft?
Well, Birlasoft also we have seen a good run up. So a little bit of consolidation, little bit of profit booking cannot be ruled out. On a broad base, I would say start accumulating. The support level is pretty lower. So I would say the support comes at around the 380, 400 levels. So, and currently it is 445. So wait for some corrective move coming in because long-term chartical presentation, we see that the projection comes to around 500, 520. So yes, it's a positive, but a buy in decline.
Right. Very lastly, Vaishali, any other recommendations apart from the names that we've already discussed?
Well, so I'm looking at IndusInd Bank. So in all the banking stocks, IndusInd is showing a lot of conviction. So I would say 1410 should be acting as a stop loss. And trading strategy, I would look at a target of around 1448 to 1480 for now. So IndusInd is a buy right now. And second stock, which would be a sell. Well, it is a calculated risk that I would be talking about. Kotak Bank is a sell with a stop loss of 1840, and we are seeing a poor closing right now. I mean, it is below 1800 currently. So I would say it can go to 1740, 1730. So Kotak is a sell.
Right, so sell on Kotak coming in there. Thank you, Vaishali, and so much for joining us on the show and sharing those details. So clearly, these are the strategies that one should be watching out for. But clearly, it is the entertainment, which is the stock of the day, which has seen a rise of almost around 20% that has come in there. And that will be a wrap from our side. Thanks for watching, and lots more lined up on the other side. Please stay tuned to BQ Prime.